Voice News. I am Palak with you. So today is Women's Day. This is the day of the Queen of Jhansi who lives in every house. So here is Advocate Nikita Parmar with us. Ma'am, how proud are you about International Women's Day today?
Excited? Yes, absolutely. Palak, why shouldn't be excited? I think we all should be really looking for every opportunity to celebrate womenhood. This is just one such day, and we should all be happily celebrating it. Why not? Uh, yes. See, that's very true. There have been lot of developments, lot of legal changes happening to support women for empowerment of women. From if we see from 1990s, from one case where we women got protection at workplace, from there to now we have a lot of things: education, prevention of female feticides, reservation for women, and recent development, if I talk about, like doing away with triple talaq. It is one of the thing which really exploited women, Muslim women especially. So doing away with that, making special laws for that, things like recently we have got rights of women in ancestral properties also. These kind of changes are definitely a better face for women. One should be really appreciative of these things. But when we talk of these changes, when you talk of women first and rights, fundamental rights, other rights to women, when we talk of these things, we're talking of legal provisions. We're talking of what is written in the book. We have to see, is it really implemented on ground? We have to see women's condition in the society. Have we able to get that much of societal response to women empowerment? And the answer is no. Still we have a long way to go. We cannot say, okay, we have done this, a lot of things have been done for women, and now we're done, it is okay.
To give first place to women first in India, from respect to extra right to fundamental rights, had the woman has been handling the work properly from home to how much she manage.
We're talking of legal provisions. We're talking of what is written in the book. We have to see, is it really implemented on ground? We have to see women's condition in the society. Have we able to get that much of societal response to women empowerment? And the answer is no. Still we have a long way to go. We cannot say, okay, we have done this, a lot of things have been done for women, and now we're done, it is okay, women are empowered. No. We have to see a real societal change where women are considered as equal as men, and that is not happening. So clearly there's a long way to go, long way to change society's psychological thinking, change a lot of things. So we have to work towards women empowerment still. See, now this is the point, Palak. We never ask a man. There are so many men working, more than women, of course. We never ask a man how they are managing. The word management is used only for women, because somehow you are a woman, I'm a woman, we all are working and still doing ghar sambhalna and all these things. So the interesting thing is, we expect women even if she is working, we expect her to take care of household things also. We expect her to take care of children who are both are parents, right? Men, women, both are parents. And how they are able to manage, we all are managing. Coming to how they are able to manage, somehow we all are managing. And I think that's the beauty of womanhood. We're doing it without even feeling that we're doing it. So most women are, most working women I would say, are doing balancing their household things and their professional life very nicely with a smile on their face, without realizing that, oh my god, we're doing so much. So that's the beauty of womanhood, and that is what exactly we are celebrating today.
Women are not allowed to become educated in many places, but now the number of women is being seen more in the forefront. Are there change in their thinking of people now?
Yes, that is true. Compared to some previous years, now we are doing a lot towards girl child education, women education, and somehow women are doing very good in education field. Mostly when we see toppers are young girls rather than boys. I'm not saying boys are not doing good, but when we see literacy rate, education rate, and performance of girls in education sector, it is in a way women are proving that if we are giving an opportunity, if you will give us a chance to get educated, we will definitely do our best and will perform so good that it will be an answer to the society.
If you are watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you are watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. Don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.